try the cold brew today. Let's see, the other one was good, but I'm trying to try this one. Breakfast and then out. It's gonna rain today. Everyone's sleeping, but I'm gonna do a little video of cleaning up this place, so that'll keep me busy. It's a baby.
It's a baby one.
You found a baby too?
Yeah.
Sophia, show me your castle you're digging. Or are you making a pool? Look. How are you doing? And what is Lolo doing?
I'm also making a pyramid.
A pyramid.
Pool.
Look at this background.
Could you make me make a pool? Daddy?
Look at the beach.
Huh? Which one is
Mommy.
graded? The one I'm like doing. Yeah, Ma. Do you? Yeah.
Sophia, can you get out of the way?
Logan, come here. Okay, good. Okay, I got one bedroom down that I was in, made the bed, it's nice. Got to Windex the windows here. I brought my own Windex because I don't want to leave the place a mess. But here's one thing you always do on vacation. You look under because I got a makeup bag and something else under there. So I'm going to get this and then go to the girls' room. Then I have the kitchen, the bathroom, and then we are out of here. So it was a great trip. We'll be on the road soon.